can you go over how to do competitor analysis? Yeah, Bob, just go to YouTube. Excuse me. Click on our channel. So youtube.com/@semantic-mastery. Okay. And then right here, once you're on our channel, so youtube.com/@semantic-mastery, right there is a channel search function or feature or whatever. Click on that and search for competitive link analysis. You can just search YouTube for it and it will come up too, I'm sure. If you go directly to our channel, you'll see it. It's this one right here, competitive link analysis for local SEO. Watch that. It's an hour and 8 minutes. Watch it on 1.5 speed if you want. But if you click on that right there, this is the full training for the exact process that I use for developing competitive link analysis reports. And right here is the copy of the Excel file. It's the pinned comment. It's also listed right here. Well, no, it's not listed in the description. Excuse me. It's listed in the pinned comment. But that's the competitive link analysis workbook. Let me show you what I mean. Yeah, this is it. Oops, sorry. Get back in there. This is what it looks like. It's this document right here, this Excel file that has the formulas and everything already integrated in there that makes all these averages and these charts and all of that. All of that is in that document that's pinned in that first comment right here. So make a copy of that and then just follow the training in this video here. That is the exact same process that we use for developing competitive link analysis reports, which is the start of all link building campaigns for all clients, all white label clients, period. I don't ever do any link building or make any recommendations for links or anything without having one of these reports. That's it. This is how we determine what the campaign needs. Specifically, quantity metrics, anchor text metrics, relevance metrics. All of that is determined from these reports, right? And that's 100% given away right there in that training, okay? Exact same process that we use.